Hi friends, in this video I would be showing in Redmi phone how to fix issue. Phone is not connecting to PC but charging only. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select about phone. Here you can see miui version. Here we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, you are now a developer. Go back. Under settings, go down. Select additional settings. Under additional settings, go down. Select developer options. So this is a list of developer options. From this list, go down. Find USB debugging. Enable USB debugging here. Then we need to tap on OK. So that way we can enable USB debugging. Tap on OK, done. So now I have enabled USB debugging. Then go down and find networking section. Here we can see networking. Under networking, go down, select default USB configuration. Select it. And here we have to select first option, file transfer. Select it. Then go back. Then we need to connect phone to PC and test again. This time this should work. So this way we can fix this issue, phone not connecting to PC but charging only. So please check it.